When we talk about play, and we will have a day in here on play where we'll talk about why we do it and how we do it and what its value is. But really what we're talking about when we talk about play is creating an interaction with the dog. So you could reward your dog by giving him a piece of food. You could also reward your dog by throwing a tennis ball for him if he likes a tennis ball, or playing tug of war with him if he likes tug of war, or whatever. So there are certain games that we create with our dog that have value, and the more my dog likes them, the more valuable they are as a potential reward for behavior. And so if I'm working on sits, and my dog says, food's pretty good, but I really like my tennis ball, and I want to do a bunch of sits, I might ask my dog to sit, and then throw his tennis ball. Ask my dog to sit, say yes, and throw his tennis ball, and do that repeatedly. And he'll perform better as a result of that because he likes the tennis ball more. So my training sessions will be inherently better. So that one aspect of play is that we can use it as a reward for obedience in the same way that we use food as a reward for obedience with dogs that like it. And for some dogs, they like playing better than food. For other dogs, they like food better than playing. And so me switching to play after using food is not going to be motivating for them. So if your dog likes food way up here and thinks a ball's like this, and I'm going along working with food, and then I say, hey, here's your ball, the dog's going to be like, I thought I was getting food. Forget it. And his next rep will not be as good. And so we can mess with the value of the reward that way. And play is one other possible way that we can increase the value of the reward. Some of the movement we did when we were delivering food is to make it more interesting because it has an element of play mixed in with food in that case.